Let's dive into lesson 2 of this Arduino Complete Starter Kit. An easy one to start with, blinking an LED on the board. We need to connect the Arduino R3 controller board to a laptop with a USB cable. I've loaded up the code into the Arduino IDE. Firstly, I need to check the board type and serial port. These need to be correctly selected so we can communicate with the board. In my setup, the board is Arduino Uno and the port is named COM4. This may be named differently on your system. Okay, let's compile the code by clicking on Upload. We can see on the bottom right that the code compiled and run with no errors. Just 9 lines of code here. Firstly, the setup function runs once you pair the board. Then the LED pin is set to an output. The void loop command runs the loop continuously. The pin is then set to high and the LED turns on. Delay 1000 waits for 1 second. The pin is then set to low and the LED turns off. Another delay 1000 waits for 1 more second. This continues indefinitely, and this is how it looks on the board. As we can see, the LED is on for 1 second and off for 1 second. This is basically lesson 2 of the tutorials. There is one modification we can make to the code to make the LED blink at a different rate. Let's have a look. We can change the value in the delay function from 1000 to 500. This changes the on time from 1 second to 0.5 of a second. 1000 is 1000 milliseconds. Okay, let's upload this modified code and check the result. As we can see, the LED is blinking at a faster rate, on for half a second and off for half a second. That's it for lesson 2. There are 33 tutorials in total. Please like and subscribe as I work through all of them.